Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable secure boot on ACER Predator 17. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how to do it, you can watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, in the boot tab you'll find secure boot. You can set it to enabled or disabled, but if it's grayed out, then you should go to security and set a supervisor password. But first of all, make sure that you'll remember it all the time, because if you forget it, it's unrecoverable. And also, I suggest watching a video on our channel on how to set passwords in BIOS on this laptop, because there are a few other things that are worth knowing about it. So yeah, but once the supervisor password is set, that option isn't grayed out, the secure boot option isn't grayed out anymore, and it can be changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.